do you think that this digital transformation would be able to, do away with this digital divide or the urban-rural gap, or would unbanked or underbanked population, they would also be receptive and adaptive to this new technology, digital transformation? What has been your experience so far?
So, experience on that, the till now, people are not using as a professionally or as a business, what I say, that is the vehicle. People use it in a very much irregular basis and for very much, what is say, that they are not giving the that much impact in the field level. And there is a cause also. What we saw that the bottom of the pyramid people are only they are depend on their business, and business is a livelihood business. So when that livelihood business, give the example, when you see that in the morning, the some person has come in this time with a van rickshaw and selling the vegetables. So no customer are paid to him as a price, as a wallet or mobile banking, not the digital transaction. They are given the cash, and these people use this cash and coming to deposit to the any of the account of their account, and they must be physically come, or our staff maybe go to him to collect that money. So that is a challenge until the consumer, that means the vegetable buyer, if they are not offered that can you take my payment as in digital, this is so that it will be not coming on that much usable as a business model. Second point, if you see that the count the all of the us who are even the rich people, how many of people we are paid our maid servant salary by their account? No, we are giving the cash until it will not come. So that matter that the maid servant also not paid their money from the account to the customer or some other thing purchase on that. If you go to the driver of our, we are not paid the driver as a check or as a transaction as a mobile and to their account, and they cannot be like to go. So that is a cash use. As a large way happening, and the small things they are purchasing with a cash. So who are small sailors like the bottom of the pyramid who are running the business, they are always a cash rich. And when they are coming to wholesale market, if it's a Mundi, or if you see that the Calcutta as in Borobajar, they are coming and they have need to come with a cash. If they say that no, I will be like to pay by my digital account to your account, nobody like to take on that. So until they are not coming with that habituated to use their day to day, no, everything purchase have been coming on this, then it will be like to very helpful on that. Till now it is not happening because of these are the some limitation is there. Because if you go to this, the purchase the Mac one of the laptop, yes, you can pay. But if you like to purchase a there is a ground level, no field level or tier 2, 3 level, as anything you like to purchase, if you offer on that, many of them they are like to not like to say that no, I have not. They have, but they are not interested to take on that. So it's a need to build up the mindset of the ground level people more. They will use it. Then it will be more effective for this. The bottom of the pyramid people also will be happily do this transaction. And we are trying on that. We are trying our best on that, how they can be used more. But we are failure on that until they are not give the cash money deposit to the account, they cannot transact in my installment from their account. And that time you know that it is not needed to their transaction. Their account, if with me or any bank, automatically installment has come through the ECS. So it is not a needed, his transaction is needed on that. No. So only need on that how they can be deposit their cash money to their account. If their account, automatically account will be deducted. Installment, automatically loan is going to their account. We are giving loan their account, but they immediately withdraw all the cash. So this is a habit on that.
I will go to Abhishek ji on this topic. Can, or is it all in the mind that people want that look and feel of the currency, the note or taka as we may call it, or has the technology failed in reaching out to that bottom of the pyramid segment? I mean, has technology got some role to play in reaching out to that segment where it has failed to reach out so far?
So I think technology in terms of reach has reached to most of the people. I think these same people you see watching movies or watching serial on their mobile phones or listening to music on their mobile phones or even at times having video chat. I think it's a matter, there are two aspects to it. I think one is the intent, that why should I do it, and I should do it, right? And if there is no benefit, why should I do it? And the second is the ease of doing that transaction. Now, how quickly and how easily you can do that transaction using that mobile phone without, so until and unless this transaction becomes simpler than taking out cash and paying, the change is not going to happen. Right? So when I watch some users in the Western countries, I see that they basically, after the bill has been created, they just flash their mobile phone. That's it. They don't even put in a pin, they don't put anything, right? They just touch and go. And the payment is done. So until and unless that level of convenience and technology comes into regular transaction in India, right? I don't think these same consumers will not be interested in using digital payments for the small payments that Mr. Ghosh has been highlighting. And it's very, very valid, because if I have to open my Paytm account, even if it's a great tool, and or I have to open my UPI account, and if I have to key in the amount, and then I have to key in the person's mobile number, and then press enter or scan a QR code, it's more friction compared to taking out a 50 rupee note and paying it out, right? So until and unless we make it simpler than that, and obviously the onus is a lot on technologists as well as bankers and merchants, everyone, to lift it up. So for example, when we are talking about this vegetable seller, right? So vegetable seller also need to have the mechanism to take that payment. It's not only about me having that capability to make that payment using touch and go. So they must also have a panel in which I can just touch my mobile and say, payments are done, and I can just move out. So I think it's the overall infrastructure upgrade that is what we are looking at. And once that is done, I think we'll be in a great position, because at the end of the day, human motivation will only come when it is convenient to him. Right? It will not come until unless it's extremely convenient to him, and people look at each and every point of friction unconsciously. It is not that you have to tell them that, okay, this is easy or this is difficult. They all know what is easy and what is difficult. Right? Humans are very adaptable. They are very resilient people, right? They are very resilient species, I would say. So they know what to do. So we don't need to tell them. If you make it simpler, they will use it. It's as simple as that. I mean, I'm seeing around the world when people use it, right? They are using it, right? So apart from banking, if you see, a lot of people are not going to open bank accounts. They are very happy with their Paytm accounts or their payments bank accounts nowadays, right? Or a lot of time people will not even go to bank for loans, because if Bandhan Bank is offering them loans right at their doorstep, why will they go to and walk into a bank branch to take a loan? If they're getting microcredit on their doorstep. So the convenience is understandable by people, and people go for convenience.
Digital transformation is all about making the whole system frictionless.
Absolutely.